Hello, everyone. It's Becky from Farm Girl, and I'm here with day 3 of a Canva training a day in my 12 days of Canva training series. So today we're going to make a post to actually announce when your studio will be closed for the holidays. So I'm going to share my screen and we'll get going. So I'm going to name this our holiday schedule, and you can tell that I already did this, but you just type over it. And that's just so I can find it later in my Canva files. I chose to do an Instagram post. One of the reasons I did that is I choose a platform where I'm going to use this post. And then if I want to vary it a little for Facebook or Pinterest, I actually go back in and resize the graphic during using Canva Pro into the other platforms that I use it on, and then I'll do it onto a flyer to actually hang in the studio. So one of the templates that I love to use for a lot of reasons is a photo quote. So Canva has tons of templates in here for quotes, for posting quotes, and I want one with a photo, and I typed it the wrong way. It should be quote and then photo. And there we go. And we have a lot of them with photos. And we'll pick, I want to use a Christmas tree on this one, so I'm going to want a tall photo. And I saw one that I passed right here. So I know this doesn't look anything like a holiday post. That's okay. That's what we're going to do. If you have a tree in your studio, I would urge you to put that on here. If you don't, a picture of your tree at home and maybe some family, also very good, because you want people to relate. You want them to know you're celebrating the holidays with them. So I am going to go get a stock photo and of a Christmas tree. And you can see that there's a ton. This is a turquoise Christmas tree that I was searching for because my brand colors include turquoise because I love to wear it. But I'm just going to search for a plain Christmas tree photo. Once again, Canva has a free version, a pro version. The free version will have some stock photos. The pro version has over 60,000 stock photos. I'm just going to take this white tree right here because it's pretty and nice and light. And I just slide it over, click, drag it over, and it goes into the photo space. Now I'm going to edit the text. And it's a holiday schedule post, so we'll put the holiday schedule. And it's got a period behind there, so I will delete that. Now, this isn't very festive, so I'm going to select the text and change the font. And one of the fonts that I'm loving lately that I found by typing script in the font bucket was this Amsterdam font. And I think it's pretty, I think it's festive, but when I do it in this case, the second line runs over the first line, which is not always that effective. So I'm going to fix that by choosing the spacing icon in the toolbar. And I'm going to take the line height and make it bigger. And you see then that I'm moving the schedule on down. Then I'm going to take the font, make it a little bigger, move it to the middle of the screen. My holiday schedule does not have an author, but this is a great place to type your website. So, and you see here in this one that we're going to have to use the spacing icons again because these letters are way too far apart. So this time we'll use the spacing tool and we'll take the letter spacing to put the letters closer together so your website all shows up in that button. Now it's looking okay, but I think it'd look better if this color matched the tree. So we can do that a couple of ways. I'm going to actually do the background. So I'm going to click on the background, then click on the color. And Canva is really, really nice. And they take the photo that you used and actually give you some colors that match. So I'm going to take the red from the color from the photo, and then it matches my tree. And now I'm going to change the text to white. And if you have a logo ready for your graphic, you can put your logo right here in the space at the top. And then in the caption, you're going to put your actual holiday schedule. I'm closed on December 24th, 25th, January 1st, and virtual classes happen the rest of the week. Okay, that's day 3. If you want the template and you want the other of my 12 days of Christmas Canva templates, just email me, Becky@farmgirlmarketingsolutions.com, or you can message me on any platform and leave me your email and I will sign you up. Thank you. Have a great day.